friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another edition of Saturday Morning Makes, Halloween style still. I fancied my desk up a little bit. I put this, we call it oak tag, just so that it doesn't look so messy. But anyway, Saturday Morning Makes is Jill Norwood from Greenwood Girl Cards, her baby. And I'll link her channel in the description box so you can check out her channel. She has just gobs of inspiration that you can get lost in for hours on end. And if you do a search of the hashtag Satmorn Makes, you will get flooded with just absolutely wonderful inspiration. So, like I said, we're still in the Halloween phase. I think I might be done with that though. I made more pinwheel wands, but this time I added these little curly ribbons. And my daughter loves Nightmare Before Christmas and Jack Skellington, so I kind of went with that theme. This is from Silhouette, his face. I just printed it out on cardstock and then did a print and cut. I popped it on foam tape to give it a little more dimension. I gave it a little white base, and I went with the black and white for the pinwheels. I did my little crepe paper streamer medallion or rosette, a little doily type, and put it on a straw. Now, these are very easy to make. The gal who made them, I can't remember her name, but I'll find it, and it's so easy to do. You just fill a little cup with a couple of sprays of Stiffen Quick. I got that at Hobby Lobby. It's Aileen's, and the ribbon is just this skinny ribbon. You let the starchy liquid cover it, and then I happen to have dowels of various thicknesses, but I used this. This is the thinnest, and I twirled it around, let it dry, and then you have curly cues. I want to say Jocelyn. I'll link it. This is a purple. Him, I did a little glittery black stickles in his eyes and green dots. And I made the bows. I love, love, love making bows. I made all of them. And this is all my stash. I'm kind of giving myself a little bit of a restriction. I need to use what I have. Okay, so those were the pinwheels. I made another candy popper, and I'll fill this up. See, the candy goes in there. And I just, also, I cut these by hand. I have a die that does this, and of course Silhouette has a cut file for it. But you know what? Sometimes it's just easier. I just get my scraps and I cut it depending on how big I want it, an inch and a half, 2 inches, and just use my scoreboard. And then I put a little ticket that I did a print and cut also. from my silhouette. These little guys are cute too. It's also a silhouette cut. And you just undo the bow and you put candies or treats in. Again, using my scraps. This is I used raffia type, but that's cute. I made a little rosette. A lot of people use these as bag toppers. The whole trick to this is layers. Everything's layers. I did this cut on my silhouette, then I cut the web, then I fan folded, you know, the Mountain Valley, a thin strip of paper, maybe a ½ inch thick, to give this a little pop. Then I put my rosette, and then this is a print and cut from my silhouette. I put this another print and cut up in the corner, and you could put this on a bag. Very cute. This is just a eek. I cut it with some of my glitter paper scraps. These are adorable. You don't need anything to make these. This is all paper folding. Complete and total paper folding. It's a 6x6 piece of paper. Fold it to make a triangle. Fold one piece down, and then you fold the corners in. I'll leave a link to this, but you could put Ghirardelli chocolate squares in here. Look how cute that one is. This is actually the one sheet of 12x12 I used. Everything else is my scraps. I put a little thing of tea to show you that fits in there. But these, I made all these medallions by hand, and they came so cute. And now my bows. Like I said, I love making bows. I have so much ribbon from belonging to Really Reasonable Ribbons Club. This is a triple. And then I just glued the black and white, the orange with black polka dot behind that. I made a teensy weensy Thanksgiving color, autumny color. Look how cute. That's a triple too. I also did this one, a Halloween one. And these could go on little treat bags or even like on there. Very cute. I love this ribbon. It's a triple as well. And this color combo. Of course, your purple and orange. And your black and orange. I love making ribbons, and, well, bows, I should say. This I made a while ago, and I think I'm going to make some more because they're very cute purse charms. I dangle it from my pocketbook. I don't know, it doesn't want to come in clear. But it's cute. And I just wrap the beads, and then I hang it onto chain, and then this I put on my pocketbook. So I think I'll do a few more of these for my kids, my daughters I should say, and granddaughters. So there you have it. Saturday morning makes, and one not Saturday morning make, but I did want to share that. I hope you liked it. I will put any links in the description for like making the curly cues and making paper folding for the little pockets. And I hope you enjoyed my share. I hope you check out all the other lovely people who bring so much inspiration to Saturday Morning Makes. Until next time, as always, choose joy, friends. Have a wonderful weekend.